what's the future of this? Here's what I would say. I was an early pusher of like apps and texting is going to win. Emojis are going to win. I remember emojis. I wish I was doing my vlog back then. When that kind of first hit the scene, I'm like, of course it's going to win, because one press of a button of a smiley face is faster than colon and, you know, like, it's just speed. So what's the future of this? There are things that you're doing now that will blow you away, that you'll be doing only in voice. Like, I genuinely think I'm gonna poke my head out of the shower 3 times per shower saying, tell Babin to meet me on 19th Street. Alexa, you know, like it's gonna be unbelievable speed, utility. And I think, for example, texting will decline in the future because of Alexa, because it's gonna be faster to say it and get that person to know the information than it is to grab the phone and do it.